Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or +2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is April 18, 2024, Thursday, option expiry for Nifty. First the levels, then the power of technical analysis. Nifty closed at Nifty closed at 2899.45. It closed 0.95%, 1% down. So Nifty, of course, all indices opened to gap up. After opening gap up, it went up. Most part of the day it was up, but it finally touched the exponential moving averages, and it was above the Bollinger Middle Band and the 20-day exponential moving average, but could not sustain at the higher levels. Thereby, it got pushed down severely, and thereafter, the dramatic fall, like a Humpty Dumpty fall happened, which brought Nifty. Of course, the story is the same for across all the indices, but Nifty fall, the fall in Nifty was more severe, I would say. Was a very big solid candle engulfing the previous green candle and closing decisively as far as Nifty is concerned below the 20-day exponential moving average and Bollinger Middle Band. It's now above the 50-day simple moving average and the exponential moving average. Just below the 50-day exponential moving average, but above the 50-day simple moving average. The story is the same for BankNifty, excepting that it closed 0.87% at 47,069.45. The story is the same. It is just within striking distance of the 50-day simple moving average also. If it breaks that decisively tomorrow, expect further significant downfall. That's what it is. As far as Nifty is concerned, Nifty formed a very big solid green candle, and it made a significant up move to touch the go above the 20-day moving average and exponential moving average, but holding above was not possible, which made it drop dramatically, and it was like a free fall. That's what it is. That free fall ensured that yesterday, if you recollect, Nifty formed a spinning top. It formed a very big red candle engulfing the yesterday's candle 10 times, I would call. 10 yesterday's candles it would have engulfed. That's such a very big red candle. So the levels, if you recollect, I had said that very clearly, it's a very volatile market, and the level that one has to be extremely cautious. We had said that the April opening, which was at 24.55, is something reasonable one can think of, because many call writers and put writers were hammered today, and on the downward side, we had said that the 20 week is something one can think safe, which was at 21,759. Likewise, Bollinger lower band, which was at 21,739. So that is what it is. So Nifty, dramatic fall. So it's now probably tomorrow there can be some short covering rally or something like that. Any rise from now on unless otherwise it decisively closes above the 50-day simple moving average and the exponential moving average, one can expect weakness in the market. Okay, that's the thing. But of course, we can't expect fall every day. So that's the story. So you understood the power of technical analysis. Now let's go into the analysis. On the banking, Axis Bank fell 3%, while HDFC, IndusInd Bank, ICICI and SBI fell 1%. AU and Punjab National Bank moved up by 1%. Bank of Baroda up by 2%. On the financials, Bajaj Twins down 1% along with Chola and Sriram. LIC Housing Finance down 2%. M&M Finance and Muthoot up 1%. Geo Financial up 4%. On the insurance, ICICI Pru, LIC down 1%. ICICI General up 4%. Oil and telecom, Bharati had a big move of 4% while Reliance remained sideways. So had Reliance also fallen today, it would have been, things would have been different. The picture would have been completely different. Nifty would have fallen further. In fact, it would have even touched the Bollinger lower band. So on the IT, LTTS, Birlasoft, HCL Tech, Techem, Wipro all down 1%, Intellect down 3%, LTIM and Emphasis up 1%. On the consumer goods, ABFRL, Asian Paints, Britannia, Colpal, Page 1% down, Berger, Nestle, Titan, ITC, Trend down 2%, PVR Inox up 3%. On the automobiles, Ashok Leyland down 4%, Escorts down 1% along with Maruti and MRF, TVS, Tata Motors and Hero Motors down 2%, Bajaj Auto and Motherson 1% up. On the coal, metal, Coal India down 3%, SAIL along with SAIL, National Aluminum 1% down, NMDC 2% down, Hindalco 1% up, Vedanta 3% up. Vedanta, it is a news driven, so that's why there was some up move. On the health and pharma, Apollo Hospital 4% down, Cipla 2% down, Divi's 1% down. On the others category, Adani Enterprise 3% down, Nykaa 4% down, Adani Ports 1% down, along with APL Apollo, India Mart, Jubilant Food, Ultratech, UPL, Zomato, Z Telefilms and IRCTC 2% down, MCX had a big move of 4% and Polycab and Havells moved up by 1%. So that is what it is. So overall, this is a very volatile market and people have to be extremely cautious and that's the only thing I can say, and till elections are over and election results are out and government is being formed, because their global news is also not positive, and here at this point in time, because elections are happening, so hence no one has to be extremely cautious. That is what it is. Thank you very much.